Hi, I'm Ronnie Lebo. As a longtime wilderness canoe tripper, one of the questions that I see thrown around the most is, what's the best way to do a bear hang? I'm going to show you the way that we've been doing a bear hang for the last 15 years, and it does not involve a lot of thick and heavy rope. It just involves everything that you could fit inside a simple small bag like this Crown Royal bag. One spool of 50 feet of parachute cord. Do not buy the cheap stuff. The real parachute cord has a high pounds per square inch rating, which will allow you to hoist hundreds of pounds into the air. 75 feet of parachute cord. Now you can buy one 100-foot roll of parachute cord and cut it in half, but I like having different colors because that way in the morning when I'm a little groggy I know which line to unravel. One swivel pulley, and you can see I've already tied it on and burned the ends so that there's no fraying. A small pulley, this one doesn't have to swivel, and a metal carabiner. That is it, and it all fits in the bag. Take your pulley, small pulley, and attach the metal carabiner to it, and this is going to be what hangs and attaches to your backpack or your cooler bag. Up the rope about 9 inches to a foot, make sure that you tie a loop. With it suspended over the branch, take your other rope, go through the pulley, around this pulley, and then tie it to that loop that we made. Doesn't have to be elaborate. It could just be, as you can see, I put a knot in. It just has to be a small one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hoist the orange rope up the tree. Hold the yellow one, hold the pulley at the bottom, and then hoist your system up to the branch. Tie the orange one, the one that you just hoisted into the tree, carabiner to your cooler bag or your backpack, and then up it goes. About there is good. Tie off the yellow one. As you can see, it's fairly easy, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to hoist 100 pounds up into the air.